second example right here, were you in function form for either one of those at all? No, you weren't. Okay, so we've got to get y alone. So in this first one for my rewrite right here, on my rewrite, how am I going to rewrite this?
It's
Top
gonna
one.
be, for the first one you mean?
Yep.
Y equals
Y equals.
negative 5x minus 3.
Okay. Yeah, the y was already positive, so to take that 5x to the other side, you have to make it negative. I agree. Second one, y is already positive, right?
Yes.
I'm going to do that work down here. I'll do that work down here. So originally we had 10x. Had 10x plus 2y is equal to 8, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So is the y positive? Yes. Move my 10x out, so we've got 2y equal to
Negative 10x.
negative 10x.
Plus 8.
Okay, so now we got to divide everything by
2.
Okay. All right, so in this one right here, when I divide everything by 2, we get y equals
Negative 5 plus 4.
negative 5x plus 4.
Yeah,
Okay.
5x.
Will you guys remember these right here?
Yes.
I'm gonna move these to a better graph. Okay, move these to a better graph. So give me a second here.
Now don't delete it like Taryn.
I won't. Let me know that you got that rewrite in function form first.
We do it because we love you,
Yeah. I'll remember that.
Taryn. Okay.
Good go, kiddos?
Yeah.
All right. So let me gallery up here.
And you don't get your English homework done. I don't know that.
Get what done?
English homework. I'm just kidding.
I had it done yesterday.
I know, see.
I wish we could just listen to it the whole time. Maybe at least I know. I understand it better.
Yeah, this book's not as bad as the other one.
Mice have been. I hated it.
I hated the Greek Gatsby.
I didn't read that one.
I didn't read it, I listened to it.
That's the wrong graph.
Yours was
Oh, never mind. It's just a weird looking graph. What one? Well, that was dramatic.
All right, what was the first one? Negative 5x
Minus 3.
minus 3. Negative 5x minus 3. Okay. What's the y-intercept on that?
Negative 3.
Slope would be down 5 and over 1, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Down 5 over 1.
not bad.
It actually turns out right here, down 5 over 1 is going to fall off there. Be about right there, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
If I want to stay in alignment going back to the left, then I go up 5 and left 1.
Yeah.
Be right there.
Calm it down. So I found my old phone yesterday. I was going to use it to play music. I can't remember the password.
The
Okay.
line doesn't make a straight line on mine. I just see one side.
Good.
So go to report. Hey, Mr. Carson, I have this thing for you.
I tried 1125 like I thought it was. 1234 1224.
I thought it was negative.
It won't come up with the forgot password.
I go up 1, left 1.
And I just
So
tried to try to find it,
or
but I
five
need
left.
Wi-Fi for it, and I can't use Wi-fi.
And
Yeah, like this girl, I went to Samsung and chatted with the girl to figure out how to unlock it, and she gave me
Make
this
sense?
website,
yeah,
but I needed to be connected to Wi-Fi, and it wouldn't connect, and I was like, it's not connected to Wi-Fi. And she's like, sorry, we cannot help you. And I'm just like, well, how am I supposed to unlock my phone when I can't get in and get Wi-Fi connection?
They're online.
Thanks.
Okay, what was the other equation, guys? Negative 5x plus 4, is that right? Negative 5x plus 4? Is that right?
What?
Was it negative 5x plus 4?
Yeah.
So slope down 5 over 1. What's happening here?
Parallel.
They're parallel, yeah.
I don't know what I did, but I did something
Yeah.
wrong.
like that. And then actually,
So down 5 and over 1, right? So guys, this is the case right here where the slopes were the same, but the y-intercepts were different starting point.
I did
guys think?
Parallel.
Parallel lines, right? So we're going to simply say
No.
no solution. Okay? The lines are parallel, so therefore
Wrong page.
so we'll say no what? No solution, right? Okay, you guys have that down? Just as a reminder, what's the best way to write these functions? In what form? Get them in slope intercept form and then work them, okay? How you guys feel about this?
I did the graph wrong, but I'll do it right next time.
Are you okay with it now, though?
Yeah, I miscounted the dots.
Questions to this point? Any questions to this point? Okay. All right, so let's take a look at the next page. Anybody need more time with that page right there? That example? Are we good?
Example 4.
All right, next page for me. All right, let's take a look here. It's basically the last one right here starts talking about if a point is a solution to a system or not. Okay. Now again, we said that if a point is a solution to a system, it's the one point that's on how many of the lines? Oh, we're looking for the value that makes both equations true at the same time. Okay. So this one right here says determine if a point is a solution. We want to know if this point 4, 2 is a solution to this system right here, both equations. Guys, basically what you need to do is plug this in and determine if both of them are true. If both equations turn out to be true when plugging this point in, then you'll have a solution. If one of them's false, then what are you going to say? No, it's not the solution. So let's check this out. Guys, this point up here says 4, 2, and they want to know, is 4, 2 a solution to the following system? Here's your two equations in slope intercept form. So let's plug in what I need to plug in. What's going to take the place of y given our point up here? 2. So I'm going to write this as 2 equals -5. What's going to take the place of x given your point? 4. Plus what value, kids? Okay, so on the left we have a 2, right? Help me with the multiplication right here. -5 times 4. Yeah, -20.
Oh.
What's -20 plus 22? What's -20 plus 22?
42.
Ah,
Wait, did you say minus?
-20 plus 22.
2.
Yeah. So I have 2 equals 2. Is that true or false?
That's true.
That's true. So does 4, 2 work for the first equation? It does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Now does that mean 4, 2 is the solution to the system?
Yes.
Might be. It's possible, but we still have to check it in the
Oh.
second equation, don't we?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's check that. Same point to plug in. What's going in for y?
2.
What's going in for x?
4.
Okay. Help me with the multiplication. What's 8 times 4?
Wait, what? Oh.
So I have 2 equals 32 minus 30, right?
Yeah.
What's 32 minus 30?
2.
Okay, so I have 2 equals 2 here now, right?
Yeah.
How about that comparison?
True.
True that as well. So
It
listen
works.
up, kiddos. When I plug 4, 2 into both equations, 4, 2 is a solution to both, right? That means 4, 2 is a point that is shared on both equations. So if 4, 2 makes both equations true, is 4, 2 a solution to that system?
Yeah.
Yes. If any of them ever turn out false, what are you going to say? No. If the first one turns out false, is there any point in checking the second one?
No.
No. Once you have a false one, you're done, right? You know the answer is no. But if the first one turns out true, do you have to check the second one in?
Yes.
Make sense?
Yes. Carson,
Yeah.
what are the hours today?
We get out 15 and 45, so 45 here, okay?
Okay. So 1.
All right.
It's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Yeah, that's what I thought. Like I was thinking about it. I was like, the fourth power has to be last. And
Yeah.
I remember on half the equation.
Let's check the next one.
The 2 seconds more.
What are you plugging in for x? So 3 times what here? Plus 2 times what? And we want to know if that equals 23, right? Okay, what's the 3 times 3? 9 plus what's 2 times 7? Is 9 plus 14 23?
Yes.
So this statement's true, right?
Yeah. Oh, you don't have to switch it. Okay.
So do I have to check the second one?
Yes.
Okay. So in the second one, what are you throwing in for x?
3.
5 times 3, right? What are you throwing in for y?
7.
Well, I know if that's equal to 42. So some quick arithmetic. What's 5 times 3? 15, right? Guys, is 15 minus 42 equal to 42?
No.
No, that's false, isn't it? This is the one where you get a false statement. So the questions that you had in these 2 problems were this. The top one. Is 4, 2 a solution to the system? Both problems turned out true and true. So what are you going to say up here in this question? Yes or no?
Yes.
The answer would be yes, it is. Okay? How about down here? What are you going to say down here? Is 3, 7 a solution to that system? You would say,
9.
no way, Jose.
What if I talked in German?
Das ist nicht gut.
Das ist gut.
9.
Ja.
What do you guys think about this? Basically, when you're graphing stuff, graphs just good or perfect? Graphs have to be perfect, right? When you're graphing stuff, is it good to be in function form or something else? Function form. Are your graphs always going to cross? No. Could your graph cross in more than one point? You have many solutions? You understand how to check to see if something is a solution or not. Okay. I'm going to hand out your assignment. This assignment that you're getting won't be due until Friday, in which case I'll be gone on Friday as well.
Why?
Yeah, I have a little thing about the Drake relays to go to, so I apologize.
So you're gonna miss Rice Krispie treats that day?
Yeah, and my birthday.
Who's bringing Rice Krispie treats?
Me, it's gonna be my birthday.
Aww. Gosh.
What time do you
That's
leave?
a hard decision. Thursday night.
Uh,
We'll be at Drake Stadium before you even start school, watching track and field already.
You know you'd
That
rather
sounds-
spend
I know, I'd rather be here first hour instead of sitting out in the sun and getting a burn.
but you would
Suffers
rather
through
be
it.
here for my birthday.
I know,
She's
Tim.
bringing.
How about I text happy
I
birthday
thought you
from
weren't
Drake?
bringing those. You just said you were bringing them. Well, I thought today was Thursday.
It's the sacrifice of the world, which I tell you, it's.
My aunt. Did I get one
So,
right? Yeah.
So excited.
No kidding.
Neat deal.
And I think it's supposed to be
Oh,
decent weather. I mean, cool, but at least,
Hey, Miss Miller needs one.
he gave me
Did I
one.
do the one right?
Alright, listen up, kids. On the back side, cross off 13 and 15. On the back side, cross off 13 and
I'm not
15.
supposed to do 18.
on what?
Back side of practice 8.8, cross off 13 and 15. Okay, on the front side, do you see the middle column, 5 down through 11? Cross those off, okay? Now guys, you're going to be graphing on problems 4 through 12. It's going to be very important for you guys to get stuff into slope-intercept form, okay? I'm going to go one step further, guys. I'm going to tell you the cross-off number on 12 as well, okay? So you got 5, 8, 11, and 12 are going on the front side, right?
Actually, I told you.
If you want to. Okay, 5, 8, and 11, and 12 are going on the front. And on the back side, you crossed off 13 and 15, right? Okay. Put down do Friday at the top of that, please. Fransky's the only one missing today, is that correct? Okay.
I was gonna be late.
Guys, in your notes. In your notes. There was a quick quiz attached, wasn't there?
Oh yeah.
Okay, try to get that done here before we